You can create a use case diagram directly inside Visual Paradigm Online OpenDocs. To create a diagram that can be reused across different pages, click the plus icon on a node and select New Component Page. A new diagram component will be created as a child of that node, and you'll be prompted to choose the type of diagram you want to create. Select Use Case Diagram, and the diagram editor will open. You can build the diagram from scratch, or click Create with AI at the top right to let AI generate it for you. Keep in mind that using AI generation will erase any existing content in the diagram. Once your diagram is complete, click Save at the top right, then click the left arrow to close the editor. Your diagram is now ready to be reused in any page of your document. To insert it into a page, open the page in edit mode and click Insert. Choose Diagram, then select Import Existing. From there, select your use case diagram and insert it into the page. If your diagram doesn't need to be reused elsewhere, you can also create it directly inside a page. To do this, go to Insert, choose Diagrams, and select Use Case Diagram. The diagram editor will open, and you can create it manually or generate it with AI. When you're finished, click Save, close the editor, and your use case diagram will appear right inside your page.